Hey everyone, I am here to briefly talk to you about the FouceClaus power supply, which I actually did this without laughing. I keep thinking like this is some weird thing forcing Santa Claus to do something. FouceClaus just sounds like the weirdest title. But given that it is a weird title, let's talk about the product itself because this thing is so cool in terms of what it does. Obviously, not exotic, right? You have the customized plug for your radar detector. This works with most major brands, including Escort, Valentine One, Beltronics, Uniden. Most of them it works with. This is a fairly common, unusual power supply, right? It looks more like a telephone plug than anything else. And then you still, in addition to being able to power your radar detector, you still get use of two USB-As, which I think is a really nice little value add. It includes all those standard security features that you expect it to have, like over voltage, overload, short circuit, those kind of things to help protect your equipment. Yeah, in the end, so I broke mine, bought this, and then I was like, you know what? I should come tell people it worked. And it's sending power to my device, and the device goes on, and the USB-As work. So if you're looking, and it seems like a really reasonable heavy-duty quality cord, which is really a little surprising. Anyway, I would say this would be good for you if you need to replace your power supply. Hope it's been helpful. We'll see you next time.